Problem number 9 in the geometry placement test is dealing with the trapezoid. They're giving us some information on the trapezoid. They're giving us that the length of this side right here is 5. The height of the trapezoid is 4. They're telling us that this line here has a length of 10. And they're also telling us that the length of this other side over here is 5. Okay? So we know that this side and this side are congruent. And we know that the height, again, since these lines are parallel, the height over here must be 4. So that the triangles here and here are also congruent. We have some missing information. The area we're being asked to find is the area of the trapezoid, and we will use the formula: the area of a trapezoid is equal to 1/2 times its height times the quantity, the long side plus the short side, B. This is large B, and this will be small b. I'm sorry, other way around. Should be the other way around. We'll call this little b, and we'll call this large B. Now, we have some information missing, specifically the length of this side here. And since these triangles are congruent, it will be the same thing for the length of that side. So we need to determine the length of big B in order to complete this area calculation. So I notice that I have a triangle here. I can use the Pythagorean theorem. The hypotenuse is 5, one of the bases is 4, and the final base is unknown. So I'll use the fact that h squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, where h is 5, that needs to be squared, and a is 4, that needs to be squared, and then we're left with, we're going to call this side here x, and then that's x squared. So we need to solve this equation. For x, 5 squared is 25, 4 squared is 16. Can't do anything but solve for the x in x squared. So we need to subtract the 16. 25 minus 16 is 9, and that's equal to x squared. Take the square root of both sides. Square root of x squared is x. The square root of 9 is 3. So the length of this side here is 3. The length of this side here is 3. And we already know that the length from here to here is 10. So now I have a total length of big B of 3 plus 10 plus 3, or 16. So I have everything now that I need to calculate the area of the trapezoid. So the area of the trapezoid is 1/2 times the height. We know the height to be 4. That times the quantity big B, which is 16, plus little b, which is 10. And now we're ready to actually calculate the area of the trapezoid. So we can go ahead and carry out the 1/2 of 4. We realize that 1/2 of 4 is 2, and that 16 plus 10 is 26. So that the total area of this trapezoid would be 2 times 26, or 52 square units.